This devastating flood occurred in Australia. It took place in 2022 on the eastern coast of Australia, in Queensland and New South Wales. Due to excessive rainfall, riverbanks overflowed, causing flooding and landslides. Impact: 20 people died and 50,000 people became homeless. 53,000 houses were damaged, with an economic loss of $4 billion. Road and rail communication collapsed, with many bridges and roads destroyed. Government response: a state of emergency was declared, and rescue and relief operations were conducted. This disaster is an example of the effects of climate change, which may lead to even greater risks in the future.